Hello, and thank you for stopping by my channel, Cooking with Shani. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican curry chicken. Today I'll be using 2.5 pounds of chicken wings, whole. I already prepared this by cleaning the chicken with lime and water. And then for our seasoning, we're going to use 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 6 tablespoons of Jamaican curry powder. I use the Blue Mountain Country brand in the regular. If you like it spicy, you could use the hot. 5 sprigs of thyme, 1 tablespoon of adobo, and half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 whole onion cut, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, and 4 scallions, or what some people call a green onion. So now I'm going to add the oil first. Then I'm going to add the adobo and black crushed pepper. I'm going to add the onions. And then I'm going to add the crushed garlic. I'm going to add the scallion, the 5 sprigs of thyme, and the curry powder, 6 tablespoons. And now we're going to mix this all together. After you mix this together, you're going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours and let it marinate. But since I'm pressed for a little bit of time, I'm not going to let it marinate for 2 hours. I'm going to go right into the filling process. And you want to make sure all the chicken is coated nicely. Also, if you don't want the curry to stain your hands, what you can do is use gloves for this process, because it's best that you get in here and you mix it with your hands. If you try mixing it with a spoon, you're not going to be able to coat the chicken properly. Okay, and my camera person is going to just give you another shot of the ingredients that I use, some of the spices, while I rinse one of my hands. Also in this dish, after I fill the chicken, when frying it, at the end, sometimes what I do to cheat, instead of cooking the dish inside the pan for the whole rotation, I'll take the chicken out of the pan, put it inside a glass container, and actually bake it for 1.5 hours to 2 hours versus cooking it in the pot for the whole entire time. And then 30 minutes before it's done, what I'll do is I'll add 1 whole can of white potatoes sliced and also a whole can of carrots sliced. And that's for the last 30 minutes. Okay, so let's fill the chicken. And as you can see, I had my skillet on. It's really hot already. And because I put vegetable oil on the mixture, inside the pot all I have is about a tablespoon of oil, because you don't want too much oil. Make sure your pan is really hot. I like to leave the chicken open so I can get it all coated when I'm frying. I know when my mother makes it, she likes to fold the wing. Alrighty, so these are going to fry about 10 minutes. And then once they're done frying, I just add them to the glass pan and keep frying until all my chicken is filled. Well, thank you for watching. I'm going to show you in part 2 the end results of this and the side dishes that I made with it. Bye.